Spicy Hunan Chicken. Ingredients: 1 pound boneless skinless chicken breasts, thinly sliced. 4 tablespoons cornstarch. 4 tablespoons vegetable oil, divided. 1 cup broccoli florets, cut into medium size. 1 small green bell pepper, cord-seeded and diced. 1 large carrot, peeled and thinly sliced. ½ cup diced onion. 3 large garlic cloves, minced. ½ tablespoon minced ginger. 4 to 12 dry red chilies. 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper. Sauce: ½ cup chicken stock. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 tablespoons oyster sauce. 2 tablespoons sugar. 1 tablespoon chili garlic sauce. 2 teaspoons rice vinegar. 1 teaspoon cornstarch. Directions: add all sauce ingredients into a medium bowl and stir well to dissolve sugar and set aside. Add chicken and cornstarch into a large Ziploc bag, seal and give a few good shakes for all the cornstarch to coat the chicken pieces evenly. Add 3 tablespoons vegetable oil into a large non-stick skillet and place over high heat. When hot, place chicken in a single layer and cook for about 4 minutes, turn over and cook for additional 2 minutes or until thoroughly cooked yet tender. Remove chicken onto a plate, if using a medium-size pan, then cook chicken in 2 batches. Add remaining 1 tablespoon vegetable oil to the same pan, still over high heat, add broccoli, green bell pepper, carrot and onion. Cook, stirring occasionally, for 4 to 6 minutes, until vegetables are tender yet crunchy. Stir in garlic, ginger and dry red chilies, sauté for an additional minute. Stir in sauce, give a stir before pouring chicken, along with any accumulated juices, and ground black pepper. Continue cooking over high heat, stirring occasionally, until sauce has thickened and coats the chicken and vegetables, about 2 minutes. Serve immediately with white rice or your favorite fried rice or noodles.